Welcome to my phone screen. Yeah, so today I'm very busy, so I couldn't do a video to introduce today's lesson. But today's lesson is very simple. I want to show you how you can create a dollar account with connected to your mobile money account. Yeah, and notes like this account, like if you are an Amazon KDP worker, we have a way to create this account, but today I'm creating this as a normal account. So you will not get your dollar details, but you can do transaction from, let's say, like you can save money in it and exchange to dollar account, but you can do everything, but you not get any details to provide in your Amazon KD because this is not how we do it. But I have some different ways to do it because, like, if you want that thing, you can DM me and we talk about it. But today, I want you to know how you can make money or you can create a dollar account and use it to make money. Like, if you can save in dollars, and when the dollars rise up, then you exchange it to your local currency and get a profit from it. So that's what I'm about to teach right now. Yeah, so follow the steps and let's do it. Yeah. So first of all, I will leave a link in the description, like, yeah, a link that you will download the app from. The app name is Eversend app. Eversend app. Yeah, Eversend app. So this one is my tutorial account. Yeah, I want to show you. You see, I've made a lot of withdrawal from it. Yeah, I've withdrawn a lot of money from it, yeah, including dollars from it. I've been exchanging money from it and things. Yeah. So let me show you how you can create this account. Let's go to more and click on profile. So let me sign out. Yeah. So what you need before you create accounts, this account's like, you will need your Gmail, you will need your identity card, you will need your date of birth, your full legal name, and rest, and your phone number. The phone number that is already connected to your what? Mobile money. Yeah. So you enter your Gmail here. I'm just showing you, so I will not use any good Gmail. But if you enter the Gmail, they will let you confirm first. So if you click on this, they will tell you that this one's it's already existed. So yeah, because like I've already used it for someone. Yeah. So let me use different one. Let's say let me use I'm just using random name. Yeah. So after doing this, they will tell you that they have sent a verification email to your address. So you will enter your the verification email. So if the email is not correct, you will not get the verification email. So it means that you can't continue or proceed. So you have to enter the verification email. So let's assume that I want to enter any rough number because like the Gmail I entered is not Gmail that I know anything about. But I want to show you something, like it's an easy step. So if you do this thing, then it will take you to a place that you confirm everything finished. So let me say random number like this is incorrect. It's that thing. Yeah. So let me log in into my account. So let me log in into my account and show you a lot about this app. And the reason why some people will chat you and they will be like they need accounts linked to their mobile money number. That's the more reason why I'm doing this video. That's the more reason why I'm doing this video. So I'm logging into the account and I want to show you something. You see, yeah. So I want to show you something. So this account, it's a dollar account though, because like let me say something. I have Ghana City account, I have Kenyan shillings account, I have Rwanda France account, I have Uganda shillings account, and I have what USD. That's $1 account. You see, I just changed some money from it. Yeah. So this is the dollar account. And the reason why we always say that this account is not made for Amazon KDP. It's not made for people who want to work on Amazon. Because if you want to work on Amazon, you will need the dollar details, and this account will not provide you with dollar details. So people will be chatting you, they'll be like, "Oh, I have an Amazon account and I don't have the dollar details." Blah 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 blah. But we have a way that we will get the dollar details for you. That one you will leave that one to an expert like us. But generally, the more reason why I do this tutorials is basically for arbitrage. You doing arbitrage, like let's say you will save in dollars. So when the dollar rise up and you want to exchange it to your Ghana cities, then you click on the exchange. You see, then you exchange the money towards Ghana city, because right now the application one USD is equal to 11.25 Ghana cities. So that's the more reason why I do this video. This video, like this platform, is there for you to make money. Yeah, for you to make money, like for you to do exchange and make money. Because like you can search on La Rwanda against USDT and see if their rate is very cool. You can do arbitrage over there. You see that thing. So these things is purposely made for arbitrage, not Amazon KDP. I hope you get it. Because like when I go to here and this one too, like you can send the money from your account to your mobile money straight. You see my mobile money. I can send the money to my mobile money what straight, and my bank account to what straight. You see that thing? Yeah. So this one is different. This one is different. This one is different. Yeah, this one is different. And I know the reason why, the more reason why I'm doing this video, because like yo, people will be chatting you and you'll try to explain some things to you, to them, and they will not understand. That's why I'm doing this video. This video is purposely for dollar arbitrage, not for Amazon KDP. If you want a dollar details for your Amazon KDP, you can chat me and I'll get you a dollar details. I'll get you a pound details. I'll even get you a euro details. That's different from this. And this one too, if you want to purchase a card, let's say a virtual card, let's say you want a card to run your adverts, you can also what, click card and create card. So you see how it looks like card holder name and thing. You can change the color you want. Yeah. So this one will make you change everything, and the amount of this card is only $1. It's just $1. So if you have $1, you can what, buy your own credit card, your visual card to what, to run your adverts. I hope you get it. To run your adverts. So it's nothing that's like, it's not very hard. You just what, need some time about this app, and this one to like, it will make you, like it will fetch you a lot of money. If only you want to learn how to make money on this thing, it will fetch you a lot of money. Only if you're ready to learn much about this thing, because like it's easy, it's already linked to your mobile money account. So when you fund the account and you monitor the dollar and the Ghana cedis rate, when it go higher small, then you exchange the money and you get an interest, then you start doing it. But I advise you to what, put a lot of money in it, because like higher the money, the higher the profits. You see that thing, the higher the money, the higher the profits. You see, and you can also click on the in. The in you can be, let's say, ambassador of the app. You see, you can invite your friends of it, and you get money as well from it. Yeah, I hope you get what I'm trying to tell you. So, all I'm saying is, this is a dollar account, but it will never provide you with what a dollar details. It is used for dollar arbitrage. It is used for dollar arbitrage. I hope you get it. It is used for dollar arbitrage. But if you want a dollar data about this, we also have some way that we will do it. So sometimes you people shouldn't try all the websites, because though we'll be doing videos about it for you to know that, oh, it works and things, but we know how we did it. So, and nobody will show you his inner secret, because that one is what make him special. So if I do videos about, oh, okay, I'll get you dollar details, and I do the video and you get the dollar details, that doesn't mean if you do the same thing you get the dollar details, unless you chat me for me to do it for you. Because there are some things I will never show you, or I'll never teach you, but I'll teach you the basic things, how we get it. But there are some tutorials too that I will teach you fully, that I will tell you everything about it, because that one there is very cool. As an example, it's like how you can make money online. Like when I'm doing about that videos, I do everything from A to Z. I go this about it. But this dollar style, this thing is my profession. So I do it for you to know that I can do it for you. But if you want to make money on this dollar arbitrage, I can also show you how you can do it. That's why I said that you can deposit money into your Ghana Cedis account, and you click on the exchange. So if you click on the exchange, then you exchange the money towards to your USDT. So let's assume you have 1,000 cedis in your account. So you click on USD. You click on the 1,000 cedis. 1,000 cedis. So 1,000 cedis is equal to what? 85. It's equal to what? 1,000 cedis is equal to what? Why are they playing? 85.83. That's 1,006, 85.83. So if exchange the 85.83 and the dollar rate rise up, you will get what? Interest from it. I hope you get it. You get interest from it. But if what I'm saying you are finding it difficult to understand, you can chat me and I will explain a lot for you to understand. You see, so this account is basically made for arbitrage. It's purposely made for exchange or sending money from one country to another country. But if you need the dollar details, that one is different. Thank you. So that's how this one works. Yeah, that's how this one works. So I hope you will understand. And if you don't understand anything, I will leave my number on the screen or in the description, so you can chat me and we'll talk about it. I'm out. Thank you.